Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. Today we will learn the Nominal Group Technique, a structured way for groups to generate ideas and make fair decisions together. Step 1 is silent brainstorming. The leader gives a problem, and everyone quietly writes their ideas without talking, so each person can think freely. Step 2 is sharing ideas in a round robin. The leader goes person by person and writes each idea on a board. No judging yet, just collecting ideas. Step 3 is discussion and clarification. The group asks questions to understand each idea, and similar ideas can be grouped together. Step 4 is voting and ranking. Each person privately ranks their top ideas, for example, giving 5 points to the best, 4 points to the second best, and so on. Step 5 is calculating the winner. The leader adds up all points for each idea. For example, if 3 people gave idea A the scores 5, 4, and 5, the total for idea A is 5 plus 4 plus 5. Why is this technique good? It promotes fairness, encourages participation from shy members, and helps the group reach a decision quickly without endless argument.